Coordination isomerism. This type of isomerism is shown by the complexes in which both positive and negative parts are complex species. The isomerism arises due to the interchange of ligands between the coordination spheres of the positive and negative parts. Some pairs showing this type of isomerism are given below. See, first one normally it is a cationic species and the second one is an anionic species. They interchange their ligands. For example, cobalt NH3 6 times, chromium oxalate C2O4 3 times. This oxalato form comes here. Oxalate ligand comes here for cobalt. That is CO C2O4 thrice and Cr. This amino group or NH3 comes here. That is NH3 6 times. That is here it is NH3 6 times. That exactly that coordination number the same here. Second example, cobalt NH3 6 times, Cr Cn 6 times. This Cn 6 times comes here and NH3 comes to the chromium side. That is CO Cn6, Cr NH3 6 times. Now here in this one there is a slight difference. This is the cation and this is the anion. But the cation, the metal also gets changed. The ligands changed. Not only that, the metal comes and there is also a change. For example, CuNH3 4 times, PtCl4 and PtNH3 4 times. That means here instead of copper, Pt. Then Cu instead of Pt, that is Cu, Cl4. In these cases, the ligands have been changed within the coordination sphere. For example, in the last case, the first complex has the cation. This was the cation with copper, but now the cation is with platinum. The first case, platinum is the anion. This is the anion case. There it is changed to metallic copper. And its coordination isomer has a cation PtNH3 4 times 2 plus and the anion CuCl4 2 minus. This was the anion in the earlier case, now this is the anion. This was the anion in the cation in the first case, now this is the cation. There also made difference. Thus the ligands coordinated to copper and platinum have been changed. Last one, ligand isomerism. This type of isomerism arises when the ligand present in the complex can exist in more than one isomeric form. Here the isomerism is shown by the ligand. It is nothing to do with the complex ion or the metal ion. Then for example, the ligand diamine propane can exist both as 1,2-diamine propane, 1,2-diaminopropane as well as 1,3-diaminopropane. These are the two structures. 1,2-diaminopropane can be represented like this, that is 1 and 2. And the short form given as a ligand is PN. 1,2-diaminopropane is represented by PN. And second one is 1,3-diaminopropane, that is 1 and 3. And two amino groups are attached to 1 and 3 of the propane. And its short form is TN, small t and n. Therefore, if such isomerism, that is the ligand is showing the isomerism. Therefore, this can be represented when these ligands coordinate to a metal atom or ion, the ligand isomers are obtained. For example, cobalt to 1,2-diaminopropane twice Cl2. That is a ion formed. It can also exist as cobalt 1,3-diaminopropane Cl2. These are the ligand isomers. That completes the structural isomerism.